Okay, so now it's time to learn about the YouTube Instream ads or pre-roll adverts, which are basically the ones which show up before a YouTube video plays, the ones that you can skip, or sometimes they actually start to pop up during videos now. These are probably the most exciting types of YouTube adverts, and they're the ones that you can have the most fun with and you can reach a massive audience with. In the next video, I'm actually going to show you creating a campaign inside the Google Ads Manager. But before we do that, I just wanted to create a video just to talk about the actual structure of a good YouTube advert, a YouTube pre-roll advert, which grabs attention but also saves you a lot of money as well. There's a really important point, a few important points, which can save you a fortune with YouTube adverts. And you need to know these before we actually get into creating it. So the main important point is that you only pay after 30 seconds of your adverts being watched. So you know that when an advert starts playing, there's a little skip button appears 5 seconds in, so the user can skip within 5 seconds. After 5 seconds they can skip the advert. But if they continue watching up to 29 seconds and then they skip, you do not get charged, which is a really important point because that decides exactly how we're going to structure the advert. So remember that we only pay after our advert has been watched for 30 seconds. And that means the first 30 seconds are the most important of your advert, and you need to make sure you get this right. So that's what I'm going to talk about now, the structure of an advert. So when you're creating the advert, the first 5 seconds is super important because that is the bit where you need to grab the attention. So that's where you need the hook. You need to grab someone's attention. So it could just be bright colours, it could be something you're saying like, "Oi, stop!" You could be shouting. There's many different ways of doing that, and now I advise that everyone just goes and watches loads of YouTube adverts and sees which one grabs your attention and maybe just copy what they're doing. But it's the ones which really make you stop and think, the ones that grab your attention. So shouting stop, or are you an internet marketer, or are you sick of your job? Like, just straight grabs your attention. That little hook which gets someone watching so they don't skip. That's the most important thing. We don't want them to skip straight away before we've even had chance to explain what the advert's about or what we're trying to sell them. Then the next thing is, this is the second most important thing, or probably one of the most important things for saving money, is we want to summarize what it is that we're promoting or selling. So if we're selling an affiliate product, or we're trying to get them to come to our landing page, or we want to give them a free ebook which we're then going to use to upsell them some affiliate product later, whatever it is, we want to summarize what it is we're selling. We kind of want to make sure that they are the right person for it, because if they're not, we kind of want them to skip because we don't want to pay. So you kind of want to say, like, if you're an internet marketer and you're struggling, I've got an amazing book which is going to really help you, and you can get a copy of it for free. It's going to save you so much money. All you need to do is click on this button to get access to it. Something like that, really quick, and you need to get this down. It'll take a bit of practice. But you kind of want to explain, a little quick summary, the benefits of whatever you're offering and a call to action within 25 seconds. Now, the reason we're doing it within 25 seconds is because if once we've explained all of that, they don't want to click it, they don't want the book, they're going to skip that advert. If they skip that advert, we don't pay. So we're going to save a fortune by getting the point across really well. So there's two, at the end of those 25 seconds, we either want someone to want to learn more or click on the button, or skip, because we don't want them if they're going to skip later on. If they're going to skip after 35 seconds or 40 seconds, we don't want them to do that, because that's when we're going to get charged. So that's why it's really important to get the point across as quick as you can. Then, if they continue to watch you after 25 seconds, the next thing we want to do is show some results. We want to kind of show some proof, some social proof. If it's a product we're promoting, if it's a book, an ebook that we've created, or some training program or whatever, we kind of want to explain some results, show a bit of proof, which again is going to kind of like pre-sell them if they haven't decided to click straight away. Then the next thing you want to do is another call to action. So by now, we're already going to get, we've already paid for the advert because they've watched beyond 30 seconds. So now we just need them to click. So once we've shown them some results, we've hopefully got their attention, we've hooked them in, we've shown them some results, then we want to say, well, all you need to do is just click on the button around this video if you want to take action. So that's another call to action. Then you want to hit them with some more benefits again. because obviously we just want to keep speaking to them now until they click. So we're just trying to sell the product that we're promoting or whatever we're promoting. So some more benefits, try and sell, keep selling, keep selling, keep selling. And then there's one final call to action in case they haven't decided to click at that point. And that is probably the best structure for a YouTube advert. So we kind of want to get them to click or skip within the first 25 seconds, but hopefully click. And then we're just going to keep trying to sell to them and get them to click throughout the rest of the video. And usually the advert, probably the best length for an advert is around about 2 to 3 minutes, because then that's the opportunity to continue selling to them. That seems to work the best. So that is kind of the structure of a YouTube advert, and that's the best way to use adverts to save money and get the most results. So I think you should have a look around and see what other YouTube adverts are out there, what's working, what's not working. Start just now, just after this video, just go and look on YouTube, just search your niche videos and just start to look around and maybe make some notes of how you can structure a good advert. And I mean, it doesn't have to be anything special. If you're reviewing an affiliate product, or you've created some kind of ebook, or you've got some kind of funnel, it just needs to be you at a laptop speaking and grabbing attention, and that works really well. But there's another really cool thing which you can do, which is great. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that some good affiliate programs or people that own affiliate products sometimes provide you their videos which you can use. So I'm just going to show you that really quickly. So if you go onto the JV page of some products, like this is a ClickBank product, super affiliate system, John Cristani. He had some crazy YouTube adverts out a while ago. He's now made those adverts available to his affiliates. So what you can do is you can so if you just go to like ClickBank and find the products, then you usually have a JV page, which I've showed you in the ClickBank section, and you can find some materials. Sometimes they give you Facebook ads, sometimes they give you email swipes. Sometimes, if you're lucky, they give you pre-ready-made YouTube adverts, which sometimes they've spent a lot of money creating, and they've got them down perfectly. So what you can do is, if you just click down here, is go down. Look, they're telling us here, this is the type of targeting, which I'm going to go into in the next video, and they give you the YouTube video. So you can just link directly to their channel if you want, or you can download the videos, is give you some more here, and upload it to your own channel and then use it as an advert later on, which is a really cool way of using really high quality adverts which have been produced by experts really, and using them. And obviously they're promoting their affiliate products, but you're going to get the commission because it's going to be your affiliate link that you're going to add underneath it. So that's the other option. So you can create your own adverts, leading usually into your own sales funnels, or if you find a good affiliate program, you can actually use their pre-made adverts as well. In the next video, I'm actually going to go through creating a campaign and like targeting and all of that. So let's move on to the next video.